Try natin itong bagong baking pan. Heart with heart shape. Heart shape baking pan. O yan, may na na ako. May na prito na pancake heart shape. Ito yung mix. Mix ng pancake. Non-stick pan. Cute, Cute yung nagawa nyo, Cute. Ito may chocolate, Pwede mong lagyan yan ng Pwede mo rin yan. Chocolate.